I keep forgetting I'm on my pure account when I retweet NSFW stuff. Whoops. Time to watch the new episode. It's really good. Good morning, dorks and dorkettes. Good morning.
Whoops. I met you literally yesterday. You retweeted my retweet this, calling all Hispanic and Latinx, the good stuff. That looks like it's gonna be really cute. I don't know if I'm ready. But yeah, we literally met like yesterday. Sorry, I'm drinking orange juice. We met yesterday. You seem really nice. I really liked you in the group chat. We should definitely talk more and be better friends because my stomach is growling. This is so embarrassing. Wow. We should talk more because you seem really neat. I really like. I also like cats, so that's a mood. Excuse me. And I don't know if it's Mimi or if you actually like Luna, but I remember you said Stan Luna in the account, in the group chat once. And that shocked me. But yeah, Stan Luna. I've never heard a single Luna song in my life, but they look cute. That's what really matters, I guess. But yeah, we should talk more even outside of the group chat. Unless you don't want to. I'm not going to force you into anything that you're not comfortable with. Pero it'd be neat. But it's also neat if you don't want to. So, yeah, that's it. I met you yesterday, but it'd be like that sometimes, you know what I mean? Yesterday, 2 days ago, yeah, same difference. Time is an illusion. Nobody knows what time is. Time isn't real. Anyway, though. All right, bye. I hope we get to talk more.
안녕 내가 다가와 부두면 향해 너 안겨줄 땐너 이미 한큼 싸겠어 눈이 부시도록 그 밤 작겠어